Hi there. So today what I want to do is I want to share with you my designs that I do for clients. So this is really the first thing that I do when I do a 3D rendering is I input the design of the home the way that it currently is now. So this was a client's house. We're actually backing up. We're adding 10 feet on the back of the house here. So this is going to be blown right open. And we're going to be taking out some walls, as you're going to see in my drawing shortly. So this is really what I do first. I still like to have the original, so I put this in first, and then you can get an idea of how I make the magic happen when I start to create the actual space. So I'm going to show you option number 1. I'm going to show you, this is what we call a dollhouse view. So this is awesome. This is basically a bird's eye view. I can turn it all around. We can see what's going on. And so basically for these clients, currently they have no children, but there will be in the works in the future. And currently this here is a sitting room, and I am going to, as you can see in this plan, I'm turning it into a dining room. So then we have a massive kitchen along the back here. I always give 2 options because I always find that people really love to have options. So you'll see this is option number 1, and you're going to see what I'm doing for option number 2. So some of the other requirements in here are obviously to have like a really nice kitchen, nice big kitchen. We want to have a patio door on the back there, and I actually added in some extra windows there. So not quite sure why this is sitting here, but there we go, delete that. Okay, and the other thing is we have a door here off of the garage, and in there we are going to, currently, as you saw in the original, the bathroom is actually right here. But I've moved the bathroom down here to the end of the house, and that way you can come in through the garage and you have a little kind of mud room there. So I'm going to take you through the house. I've left a post in it right here, but I'm going to take it out. I leave that in just in case we need to have a post. But I'm going to take it out, and that way you can get a better view of the home. And here I'm going to walk you through now option number 1. So here is the dining room. Okay, so we have the dining room, a couple of sconces on the wall, and a buffet, as well as a mirror above. Okay, so this is the dining room. So this is, sorry about that. So this is the first room that you see kind of as you enter the house, if they go with this option. Okay, as you can see, the front door is over there, and then just a teeny tiny closet. So not a lot of closet space considering, you know, the size of the home. And then over here, we just have a really nice big open cushion. Look, we even have the cows in the back of the field over there. Okay, so obviously that's not real, but. So yeah, so we have this little sitting area, living room, our family room, and it is just next to the kitchen here. So look at that kitchen, a wall of cabinetry, island with a sink in it. And then obviously on the other side, we also have the dishwasher in the island, as well as the microwave. So there we have that there. And these are some built-ins, just again an idea. I mean, I just really show a layout for the space at this point. The stairs, they would obviously be dark on the top. Sometimes my program gets a little bit finicky, but overall it's pretty darn good, and clients are really happy when they get to see what their space is actually going to look like. So here's that door that you saw earlier, just off the garage. Okay, so we have a little shelving area here, mud room, and again, not really sure why I've got an extra countertop there. Just delete that bad boy, but we could do shelving up there as well, actually. So, and then down at the end here, we have the bathroom. Okay, so just a little powder room. Okay, so there we have option number 1. Okay, so here we have option number 2. Now they have a white car. Wow, imagine how quickly that can change. No, so here I have the sitting room up at the front, the family room up at the front. I have the kitchen more along this back wall here. We move the patio doors over here, and then we have the kitchen kind of cornering like that. And then still a nice size island, but also a little eat-in kitchen area over here as well. Not a formal dining room in this space. We can just move it around and we can see, great, yeah, fabulous, a lot of cabinetry there. And then even extra cabinetry here. So in the other option that I had, this was the built-ins and the sitting area, but over here it's just more pantry space, and then the doors are off here. I left the powder room where it was, okay, just a really small powder room. And then here we actually have a mud room, though. So the mud room, sorry, with laundry. So again, it's all about giving options, and my clients who I did this for have not yet decided which one that they want, so I'm still waiting to hear back from them when they are ready to move forward with that. So I'm going to take you on the tour now, and we're going to walk through the house. Okay, so here we are. So this was the dining room in the previous one, and here you can see I have made it as a front sitting room. Okay, and then you go through the sitting room, and then here you have an eating area. You also have an island, and just look at that. I love the mosaic I put in there. So sometimes I can choose colors. I mean, this is a specific Benjamin Moore color that I've used. This is an actual quartz countertop that's Caesar stone. And then these backsplashes, I actually took a picture and then uploaded the backsplash. So, you know, there's lots of great options with my renderings, which I absolutely love. And it can make it as realistic for clients as possible, which is the whole point, and which helps them really be able to visualize the space. So again, just ignore the crazy stairs there. And then as we come through here, that is a garage door right here on the right-hand side. And as you walk through, you come in this way. And there's also a side door in this option. Here's the bathroom. That is the side door in the bathroom as it is now. So kind of one option is usually a little bit more involved than the other. So again, but we like to have options. And then this is a great mudroom with fabulous laundry. Okay, so that is option number 2. So it gives you an idea of what I provide for clients. This can all be measured up, provided to the contractor. I also do this in a whole presentation pack, which I will share in another video, and it includes the scope of work and the inspirational photos, and that way it just really gives clients a really good idea of how their home can look at the end. So, and this is the drawing that contractors usually use, and I'll measure it all out. There you go. So that is how I do my stuff. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Claire Jefford, creating contrast designs. I'll see you soon.